Okay, so we want to get this cream going to a good rolling boil. We want to make it reduce by about half. So we're going to wait until it bubbles up on the sides. You can see in the back corner here it's starting to thicken up, and that's what we're looking for. Alright, let's take this and pour it over the chicken. This is very saucy, but it will reduce nicely. Turn this burner off, and then we're going to take a cup of cheese. And again, you can use cheddar or provolone or fontina cheese. I'm going to pour that over the top, and then we're going to put it in a preheated oven at 350 for about 10 minutes.